Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the beta editor and loading the target project. This gets you into the environment quickly. Once done, enable the experimental features toggle so new tools appear. This matters because defaults may hide capabilities. Make sure to back up the file or create a branch before changing anything, since beta features can alter structure. Now, locate the primary toolbar and file tree. Those give fast access to editing panels, which you'll use immediately for stepwise changes. You'll now apply the editor's new tools to the active file. Start by activating inline suggestions and then accept or tweak them using shortcuts, because that speeds iteration. Next, open the live preview pane and sync it with your edits. This shows real-time results so you can verify behavior. Also, adjust linting and formatter rules to match your style. Doing so prevents noisy diffs. As you work, keep an eye on the status bar for warnings and background tasks. Address them to avoid surprises. You finish by saving and validating everything. Run the integrated tests or validation tool and fix any critical failures first, because broken code will block release. Once green, commit your changes with a clear message and push to the beta branch so others can review. If unexpected behavior appears, revert to your backup or toggle off the specific beta feature that caused trouble, then retest. One last pass through the changelog, and you're ready to merge or share the build with stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.